Simplify trigonometric expressions.
Simplify the expression cot of pi by 2 minus theta times cos theta. Solution. Using cofunction identity, we know that cot of pi by 2 minus theta equals to tan theta. Now rewrite the above expression as tan theta times cos theta. Tan theta can be written as sin theta over cos theta. Simplify cos theta in the numerator and in the denominator. The expression simplifies to sin theta. Simplify the expression sin theta times secant theta times cot theta. Solution. Use reciprocal identity. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Use tangent identity. Tan theta is sin over cos theta. Now rewrite the above expression as sin theta secant as 1 over cosine theta, tan as sin over cosine theta. Simplify cosine theta in the numerator and in the denominator. And sin theta. The expression simplifies to 1.
Thanks for watching.